the most especially, it is the pride of us Philippines.
Yes, Mayor. What's else, Mayor? Okay, Jessica, you ask the question to our Mayor. Go.
If and only our country is
he's
not corrupted.
fit.
At the time, facing the high prices and low income.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dapat mang kamerinor.
Don't laugh, Mayor.
Facing the high price. Some of us youths
Yeah.
are striving for hunger. Doing
Vote.
labor
I'll
with
vote
no
for
enough
you.
income and making ways to live.
Yeah.
And all of this, and all of this,
Yeah.
and all of this only
Yeah.
either to doing illegal things just
Yeah.
to make big money.
Okay.
Someone
Yeah.
take
What
drugs to forget every problem.
Yeah.
Or the worst part is that if youths today will realize to cut off their lives in short self-suicide. Si Eileen po. Sorry, si Eileen.
Bye, Mayor. Vote, Mayor.